Hey guys, it's Aaron and Tracy.
Hey.
Today we are on Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas, and we are at our second port, which is Aruba. We are so excited.
Yeah, the water is just amazing.
So that is from our balcony. We would go out there, but they're doing maintenance and cleaning and that type of stuff. So, but anyway, we're going to be getting off the boat, and we will show you what we see. So here we go. All right, so we just got off the ship, and we are now officially in Aruba. I'll show you a little walkway here going to the port.
This was a map.
All right, so we just left the little port building there, and looking around, we're going to see if we can take a bus to the beach, and let's pan around here and just show you what it looks like. It's really nice. It's actually another shipping port, the Free Winds. I've never heard of it.
Yeah.
And of course, there's the beautiful Odyssey of the Seas. Or Odyssey, yeah, Odyssey of the Seas. I guess we won't get lost. Free Winds is a small ship. All right, so these little kiosks are empty. All right, guys, so we are here and we made it to Eagle Beach.
Yeah.
And I'm going to show you around. It is beautiful.
Gorgeous. The sand is amazing.
So there's the one end of the beach there. You can see all the little covers, the umbrellas over there. And the beach is just unbelievable. The water
The water is amazing.
and so yeah, so now we're just going to sit back here and we'll get ready to go in the water and give you a closer view of that, because I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, so we're getting ready to go into water. It's getting a little busy out here. Just show you around here. I see they got the jet skis out. Look like they're probably renting those.
Yes.
Go ahead and test the waters.
The sand is so soft.
Yeah, super soft. Yeah.
Super soft. It's like blue water beach.
Oh yeah.
And it's Aruba.
Wow, it's like you hear in all the stories you see. It's so clear.
Yeah.
Wow.
Gorgeous.
You have to stand in it for a minute to kind of get used to it. Can't see the ship from here though. It's alright. We're about 10 minutes away from our ship. Kind of pan around just so you can see what's behind us. Those look like, I don't know what those, I think those are stores. You said the driver said there's shops and places to eat back there. And I know the beach kind of stretches for a while.
Yeah. It's amazing. The sand is so soft.
But yeah, this is truly amazing, guys. We're just gonna kind of enjoy the water a little bit and show you more here in a little while. Alright, so we got some water time in, and now we're just kicking back on the beach in our cozy little lounge chairs. And yeah, this is a cool place. Good to see the catamaran go by there. I'm sure that's an excursion off the ship. The weather looks like it's
Touch and go.
touch and go here. Yeah, we had a light little sprinkle, but that's all right. Went away. Brought my weatherproof
Phone case.
phone case. Yeah, thank you. But yeah,
I'm just finishing his
Yeah.
sentences. That's all.
so I feel a little more secure with my C-Pass and driver's license and stuff like that. So yeah, this is cool. A little butterfly just passed by us. I thought it'd be busier on the beach. That's all right. Tracy thought she would see more palm trees.
Yeah. I didn't know what to expect.
That's true. Neither one of us knew what to expect, but no, this is great. This is awesome. So sit back for a little bit and maybe try to find some shopping or something to eat a little bit here.
Yeah.
Okay, so the weather kind of took a little bit of a turn for us, so we're gonna head back towards town and see if we can do a little bit of shopping.
Shopping!
And, we're on the taxi right now. Open air.
A little park.
That's a pretty area through here.
Oh, there's some dark clouds up there.
Yeah. Casino. I can see it. I think that's what we saw last night.
Yes, I think it is too. Whoop, hold on.
Wild ride. Definitely wet. All right, so we are back in the port area, and I think we're just gonna do some shopping here, and just check out the area. There's another I don't know what you call it. A little bit of an emblem sign over here. Iconic sign, I should say. We'll show it to you here in just a second, but it's kind of cool. But, yeah, we'll just keep checking out the area.
Oh, there's a local market over there.
All right, so our visit would not be complete without getting in this iconic sign. Sorry, I have to get step back in further. I love Aruba. Yeah, the weather here is not in our favor, but this one is. So yeah, we're gonna find some shops do a little souvenir shopping and.
Oh, market over there.
All right, so now we've hit some shopping, some souvenir shops here. So let's take a look here. Little hat shop there. Little trinkets here. Yeah, that wins something else. There's a street right next to us here that has all sorts of, looks like stores and stuff. There's the Harley store, Diamonds International, which is almost in every port. So down that way is all this, a lot more shops. All right, so we basically showed you the outside, the little gates here of the souvenir shops. We're gonna head back towards the ship, and there's more shops in there we'll show you. All right, so just got through the security. Let's through the gate there to get us back on the ship. And I want to show you this. Probably already did. That's the free winds. I have no idea what cruise line they call that. That's an old ship though. So there's some more souvenir shops, not a lot, but I'll show you here once we get in there. So these are some great views.
Yeah. Look at, that's the seaplex. That's cool. The way it's down like that.
So Tracy's talking about the seaplex up there. It's, whoops, the camera does not want to.
And then that's the solarium.
Zoom in on it. Sorry, it's trying to. Anyway, it's up there. Anyway, we're gonna focus. Go in here, and there's a few more shops in here. All right, so we're inside here with a few more little shops. Oops. Little trinkets and stuff. Oops, sorry. All right, some more shops on this side. Alright, you guys, so we are at the end of our day out there in Aruba. It was a good day, just unfortunately got cut a little shorter than we wanted to because of the weather. But,
Yeah.
but we did get to see the beach, which is what we really wanted to do. And hopefully we showed you quite a bit with that. And we got a little shopping done. It was swag here
And
and there.
just so you know, we took this little open air bus. It was only $5 a person to take her to the beach. So in case you're wondering, and then taxis $5 to take her to the beach, and then the public bus is $5 to take her to the beach. So pretty good.
Yeah. So just got done with lunch and continue on to enjoying our day on the boat. And got a ton more to show you on the boat, so look out for those videos. But anyways, if you have any questions, comments, what you saw, please leave them below. Otherwise, hey, thank you for watching.